Hello, here is the Harbor Freight trailer, and one of the wheels is nice and quiet, but the other wheel, this is the sound that the bearing makes when I spin the wheel.